So today we're going to unbox this Vention USB Hub 3.0. So let's look at the packaging first. Made in China. Let's cut it open. Now we're going to try to hook it up to my laptop, and we're going to connect a wireless mouse receiver, a flash drive, 1 and 2 hard drives. So let's plug it in. So this USB hub has 4 ports, one on this side and one on the other side, and then it has a light to indicate that it's on. So let's try to connect the ports, see whether it is capable of handling a lot of sources. Let me connect first the other hard drive to this one. Yeah. There. Now let's try to plug it in. So showing that the transparent one and the wireless receiver of the mouse is working. So let's look. See. So the Windows 8 OS is the transparent hard drive. The flash drive is the drive H, and I'm not seeing the Desiderio port, the Desiderio one. Maybe it's still administering. Let's wait a bit. Yeah. So as you can see, it handles 2 hard drives, 1 wireless mouse, and one flash drive. Let's try to open the files. So you can see that it is accessible. The files are there. You can use it. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video.